Here we have George, Chopper, Monkey, and Zealand, all enjoying a towel with some catnip on it. And Daisy. Oh, George, you've had enough? Jeepers is really into it. Uh-oh. Don't fight, guys.
Crackheads.
Chopper's going to town over here. George doesn't realize that it's not even over there. He's just rolling around anyway. You two. God, Monkey, you're a big fat cat. Look at that belly. There's a big belly. Chopper, you enjoying yourself? Huh, is that yummy? Zealand? Zealand? Monkey, yummy. Hey, come on, guys.